welcome to the Economist Diary in week 6. In this video, I'm going to talk about what happened from the September 11th to the September 15th. So if you're interested, please keep on watching it. On Monday, September 11th, People's Bank of China released the August Financial Statistics Report. The increase in the scale of social financing in August was 3.12 trillion yuan, an increase of 631.6 billion yuan over last year. From the breakdown point of view, the net financing of government bond was 1.18 trillion yuan, compared with 304.5 billion yuan in the same period last year. Hence, the net financing of government bonds became the main force for the year-on-year increase in social financing in August. Additionally, RMB loans rose by 1.36 trillion yuan in August, up 86.8 billion yuan from last year. In terms of sub-items, housing loans increased by 392.2 billion, compared with 485 billion in the same period last year. On Tuesday, September 12th, UK has reported the unemployment rate in July, which is 4.3%, 0.1% below the previous data. On Wednesday, September 13th, the United States reported that the August core CPI rose 4.3% year-on-year, but lower than the previous reading of 4.7% and up 0.2% from the previous reading. The US CPI rose 3.7% year-on-year in August, higher than the previous reading of 3.2%, and rose 0.6% month-on-month, above the previous reading of 0.2%. The UK reported a GDP of minus 0.5% month-on-month in July, down from 0.5% in the previous month. On Thursday, September 14th, the Euro Central Bank announced its benchmark interest rate of September at 4.5% and a 25 BP hike. The US PPI in August rose 1.6% year-on-year, up from 0.8% in the previous month, and it rose 0.7% month-on-month, up from 0.3% in the previous month. The US core PPI rose 2.2% year-on-year in August, down from 0.4% in the previous month. It rose 0.2% month-on-month, down from 0.3% in the previous month. Lastly, on Friday, September 15th, Eurozone quarterly adjusted trade balance is 2.9 billion euros in July, down from 12.5 billion euros in the previous month. Based on the overall data and report, we could analyze that due to the significant reduction in oil supply, the market price of WTI crude oil has soared by more than 20% from this year's minimum price. There has been transmitted to a sharp increase in gasoline prices, with the US CPI and PPI data in August both significantly higher than the previous reading. If crude oil prices remain elevated, then US inflation data may enter an upward trend again. The Fed's interest rate hike policy can stimulate the return of dollar, and quantitative tightening can effectively fight inflation, but it cannot control OPEC's plan to reduce oil production. So the road against inflation is still full of challenges. On the contrary, China's current monetary policy is quantitative easing and interest rate cuts, with the aim of stimulating the domestic real estate market and domestic demand market. However, the continued depreciation of the RMB exchange rate in the foreign exchange market will also lead to imported inflationary pressures. So that is the end for today's video. Hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. See you next week.